The mechanism of drilling. Good morning, teacher. We're going to talk about the mechanism of drilling. Basically, drilling is a technique used by many teachers around the world to teach their students about basic grammar, structure, and even vocabulary. And basically, the teacher has to provide some examples verbally, and then the students have to repeat after the teacher.
Well, the steps are the following: model, cue response, confirmation, and repetition.
Okay, now students, you have to repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
So, orange.
Orange.
Again, please.
Orange.
Okay. Grapes.
Grapes.
Again, please.
Grapes.
Okay. Apple.
Apple.
Again, please.
Apple.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Again, please.
Watermelon.
Avocado.
Avocado.
Again, please.
Avocado.
Peach.
Peach.
Again, please.
Peach.
And the last one, mango.
Mango.
Again, please.
Mango.
Okay, thank you, students.
I'm going to give you a model. The model is I have one circle. Yeah, you need to change this part for I have 5 squares. Okay, the sentence will be
I have 5 squares.
again.
I have 5 squares.
Thank you.
Okay, students, now I'm going to give you a sentence, okay?
Okay.
I have 5 apples. Please repeat after me.
I have 5 apples.
Again, please.
I have 5 apples.
Now I'm going to give you a keyword, okay? And you have to replace this with this, okay?
Okay.
So it will be I have 3 lemons, okay?
I have 3 lemons.
Again, please.
I have 3 lemons.
The last one, please.
I have 3 lemons.
Okay, thank you.
Well, do you remember the previous sentence?
Yes.
Yeah. Please repeat.
I have 5 squares.
Again.
I have 5 squares.
The last.
I have 5 squares.
Thank you.
Okay, now students, you have to repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
So first, listen to me. If I had $1 million, I would buy a house, okay? Now you're going to repeat just this part.
If I had $1 million.
Again, please.
If I had $1 million.
Now we're going to repeat this part. I would buy a house.
I would buy a house.
Again, please.
I would buy a house.
Now we're going to repeat the whole sentence, okay?
If I had $1 million, I would buy a house.
Okay, perfect. Now you're going to replace this part with this one that I have here, okay? So it will be, if I had one little sister, I would like to play with her, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to give you this part here, and you have to repeat just this part, okay? So,
If I had a little sister.
again, please.
If I had a little sister.
Okay, perfect. Then we're going to repeat this.
I would like to play.
Again, please.
I would like to play
And the last part, with her.
with her.
Okay, now we're going to repeat everything, okay? So, now,
I,
If
I had a little sister, I would like to play with her.
okay, perfect. And the last one that I have for you is this. If I had a fairy, I would like to fly, okay?
Okay.
So, just let me. Once again, if I had a fairy, again please.
If I had a fairy,
Again please.
if I had a fairy,
Okay. I would like to fly, okay? I would like to fly.
I would like to fly.
Again please.
I would like to fly.
Okay, thank you, students. Okay, this activity is called multiple slot drill, in which the students have to read first the original sentence and then they have to replace for another one. For example, if I had a little sister, I would like to play with her. Now, students, I have the last example for you, and I will write it here. A dragon and like to play with it. Okay? So, as you know, you have to repeat, you have to change this part with this and this part with this. Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a model. If I had a dragon, I would like to play with it. Okay?
Okay.
So we're going to repeat just this part. So repeat with me, please.
If I had a dragon, I would like to play with it.
Okay, very good. Then again, please.
If I had a dragon, I would like to play with it.
Thank you, students.
Well, I am to ask you a question, okay? What is your name?
My name is Andy.
Please ask it.
What is your name?
My name is Miriam. What is your name?
My name is Gabriela. What is your name?
My name is Diego. What is your name?
My name is Priscilla. What's your name?
My name is Luis.
Thank you. I'm going to give you a second question, okay? Please. How are you? Well, I'm going to give you a second question, okay? How are you?
I am fine. 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 What are you?
How are you?
I am
I
fine.
am fine.
Okay, thank you. Well, this activity is called Change Real. The teacher are going to ask you and some student a question. The students need to respond to the question and ask to the next student.
Okay, now students, you have to repeat this sentence. So, she likes to read novels.
She likes to read novels.
Again, please.
She likes to read novels.
Okay, so now you're going to apply reduction, okay? So you have to apply it with it. Okay? So it will be, she likes to read it. Okay? She likes to read it. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
She
Okay. Repeat.
She likes to read it.
Again, please.
She likes to read it.
The last one.
Well, I'm going to give you a sentence, okay?
Okay.
I have 2 triangles. You need to exchange the second part. I have 2 triangles. You need to say, I have 2 of them. Yeah? You change the second part. I have 2 triangles. You need to say, I have 2 of them. Repeat, please. I have 2 triangles.
Again, please.
I have 2 triangles. And the second sentence?
I have 2 of them.
Again?
I have 2 of them.
The last time?
I have 2 of them.
Thank you. This activity is called reduction drill. This consists in I'm going to give you a sentence. The students need to reduce the second part. For example, I have 2 triangles, and the students need to say, I have 2 of them.
Thank you,
teacher.
Thank you.
Well, I'm going to give you a sentence, okay?
Okay.
I have 2 triangles. You need to exchange the second part. I have 2 triangles. You need to say, I have 2 of them. Yeah? You change the second part. I have 2 triangles. You need to say, I have 2 of them. Repeat, please. I have 2 triangles.
Again, please.
I have 2 triangles. And the second sentence?
I have 2 of them.
Again?
I have 2 of them.
The last time?
I have 2 of them.
Thank you. This activity is called reduction drill. This consists in I'm going to give you a sentence. The students need to reduce the second part. For example, I have 2 triangles, and the students need to say, I have 2 of them.
Thank you,
teacher.
Thank you.
you.